Hey guys, I wanted to show you a very quick unboxing and review of the Kobalt 3-piece high leverage plier set 5062989. This is the item number. It consists of 8.5-inch long nose pliers, 7-inch diagonal cutters, and then linesman pliers 7.5-inch. Interesting design that they have this leverage system that ensures like kind of it serves like a torque multiplier. The one important thing that I looked at, especially when buying pliers, is how can you tell if those are good or bad? First is the steel. Since the steel is the largest component, the most expensive component, rarely any of the manufacturers also, specify their steel rating or the hardness rating, but most of them say how they hardened the cutting blades. This one says induction hardened cutting blades, which is both cheap. It is cheap and very effective way to harden the cutting edge, cutting edge of the pliers. Other than that, nothing remarkable about those, other than they have an unbeatable price right now, about 10 bucks. Usually I think they're 25 bucks, $25. High leverage design. So right now they're at promotion, on promotion in Lowe's. Lowe's are getting their game really good with hand tools recently. So looking at this, let's take a peek and kind of understand, are they good, are they bad? So let's begin with the regular pliers first. Alright, let's take this crap out. Alright, so that's what I'm talking about. So first, that opening is phenomenally good. Alright, very sharp edges here. Those are 90 degree. All of them are 90 degree edges. Very good opening angle. I'm not sure how much is it, but it is definitely wider than most of the line span pliers that I've seen. Very good, very sharp. I really like this design because it kind of multiplies the torque. You don't need to like press that hard, and at the same time the grip is just, I really like the grip. So it is the perfect balance between hard, slippery with high content, and this polybutadiene over mode, which is more rubbery but wears out much sooner. This is the perfect balance. It is grippy, springy to some extent. Like, let me see how much. Yeah, springy to some extent. Let me see. No wobble whatsoever. No wobble whatsoever. Very good, very tight pivot point here. Good pliers all around. $3, $3.30. Alright, let's see this guy. Alright, maximum opening is this one. Alright. Very sharp patch from what I can see. That's recession is maybe 2 millimeters, close to that, close to 2 millimeters. Same grip, same size of the grip. And let's see the needle nose. Usually you don't need phenomenal amount of grip on those, but there you go. That's the maximum opening. The length here is really good. I really like the length. Usually whenever I use them I needed to grab something like deep inside and pull it out. Flat, absolutely flat, and then 90 degrees rated stuff here. Alright, that's it. Kobalt. Hassle-free, lifetime warranty. Can't beat that deal. $10 at Lowe's. Thank you for watching.